doing all of that. Did she say she's not wearing any underwear? Did you say that?
You jerk.
So how long have you been waiting there?
That long.
Oh, sorry.
Nice job getting all the clothes to the front.
It was in the basket, but
Did you throw the basket down here?
I tried to slide it and it went woo. And
Yeah, that's a good idea. Can I watch that really quick? Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Look at her still laughing, whore.